How are we doing, guys? Let's check that we are live. Camera right in front of my face. I need to move that, don't I? I'll just leave it there for now. How are we doing? We good? Hi, Flo. Right then. Let's just check the channels. A little bit earlier today. So YouTube, we are good. Excellent, excellent. YouTube were good, X were good, TikTok were good. Just tell road, 1 minute. Get your people in there. I'm going to go back up and tap that 1 hour alpha zone. Yesterday was fine, lap before. It wasn't for me though. I got BE'd and 2 losses. That was the only bad live I've had, really. How's your morning been, guys? We good? In the chat. Oh, nearly. A lovely golden candle here. Straight out the 1 hour alpha zone, taps back in, comes down. Interesting. Unstable connection. Yes, we tapped into our 1 hour alpha zone. We got a lovely bearish golden candle. And boom. Obviously an area of resistance here. We keep bouncing off. Come down, push through it, but we've still gone back up again. So we've come up quite a long way over the last couple of hours after a bit of a crappy consolidation for a bit. I was watching. And it's just come up and up. So good buy signal there. So we are getting a break to the downside. It's not quite gold yet. It might just stay as a white one. We've got 2 red trend traffic lights. More wins than losses. Nice, good work. Right guys, if you are on, please do give us a like on the stream. Let's see if we can get this out to a few people. Trying to go across all the channels now. Try and build up some momentum. Get more of you people enjoying trading this. Hopefully you can get a bit of help from me being on here. So let's have a little look. As you'll see, since the queue opened, our hourlies have gone opened above, opened above, opened above, opened above. So right now we're still bullish, and we've been quite bullish for sort of the last 2.5 hours. A bit more actually, yeah. Last 4 hours. After that massive drop overnight. Some beautiful sell signals though. Let's make sure I'm not going to miss out here again. So we've taken London high and the previous hour, and below us we've got our daily and our 4 hour here, alpha zones and our Q. So we're bullish on the Q, we're bullish on our daily. Hey Ollie, how you doing mate? Live on TikTok. Welcome. Drop us a comment. You trading Nasdaq today? So obviously after we've taken London here, we've then come back up into our 1 hour alpha zone, failed to break through that. Putting our high in the first 4 minutes. And then come up, failed to take the 1 hour alpha zone again. Come down and back up, still failed to take that 1 hour alpha zone again. So we are bullish, however, we are getting signs of a deeper retracement here. Now we've had a break candle here with our white candle. You got a random question. Do I know how to wiggle my ears? Yes, I do. I definitely know. That's got to be someone who knows me to even ask that question. Do I know how to wiggle my ears? Yeah, what's this?
Is that wiggling?
Who are you?
Or twitching? What is a wiggle?
I can do them independently if you want.
It's wiggle.
Yes, I can. Hi, Jason boy. You can flare your nostrils. That's amazing. I can't flare my nostrils. No, definitely can't do that. I can definitely wiggle my ears though, one at a time. Do you know what's funny about that as well? While we're waiting for a signal, I had to practice that.
What?
Well, I remember around someone who could wiggle their ears when I was must have been about 15, 16. And I thought, that's pretty cool. You can wiggle his ears. And I tried to do it, and I did what you just did.
I don't know why I just did.
You just did this. You went like this.
Eyebrows.
And do you know why that is?
No.
Because the same muscle is in your eyebrows here. If you look at me, I'm talking to you. The same one comes right across here. So the one to wiggle your ears actually goes right next to that one.
Oh, so you have to train it.
So you have to train to use BP75, welcome on TikTok. So we're trading alpha zones today. We're looking for a sell signal here if one's going to come off. We are bullish, so we're going to have to be a little bit careful. We've rejected from this area, but we have failed to come up and take any highs. Let's see. If we get a sell signal, I'll wiggle my ears again.
You're a strange man.
I am a strange man. I am a strange man. But I'm a happy one.
That's all that matters.
That is all that matters. So how's our guys on YouTube? Are we good? Your name's Q. Q joined. You're a zone. You're on my chart. Look. Where are you? You're Q. You're here. See this blue box? That is you. You're my Q zone. Yes, we do like strange in here. You are right. Thank you very much. So, obviously, we've got draw on price below us. We've got our Q. We've got our 4 hour and our daily. So, there is reason for price to go in this direction. And we have been rejecting off this here and creating lower highs, lower lows. So our current low on that is 828. Welcome, Andrea. Welcome. You trading Nasdaq today? I hope you are. Drop us some love on the stream. Give us a like, guys. Let's get some music in my ears.
Beep, 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 beep. Sort of music you want? No? Skibidi-bop-bop.
Yes, some skibbity bop bop, yeah. Yeah. What indicator am I using to mark London high? Afro, I'm using the important levels indicator. See if I'm connected. Am I connected? There we go. Skibbity bop bop. VJ Kumar, how are you doing, my friend? Are you well? You trading Nasdaq? You sticking with us? Stick with us. Drop us a like on the stream. So, as I say, we have got a draw on price below here. I'll tell you what you haven't said. Well,
Be busy.
Skibbity bip bip gap man.
So we've only got yesterday's gap on the queuing.
Okay. Abraham, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Now, interestingly, we're still above the weekly. Previous weekly was bearish. A bearish week. We could expect that our weekly highs in. What we want to confirm that is taking the current weekly low. But
Which is where? That's going to be about 510, 2510. Thought we might have got a signal there. We did not. Let's just keep my eyes peeled. Ah, do you know what? Oh, that was a mistake. 1 minute. Undo, undo. There we go.
379? Is that right? No. That's good.
Welcome, all you lovely people on TikTok. And there's our sell signal.
Still got a small opening week gap as well.
So we have a sell signal.
So weekly low.
My stop order has just got me in. So we've got our TP1, TP2, TP3 here. TP3 is just at our daily at 598.50.
Let's plummet.
Nice drop, baby. Let's fucking go.
Snickers.
No. Media trained. He's a bad man. He's a bad man.
You need to have a word with him.
So expecting to come down, tap our daily here. That's what I'd expect. $598.75. But from a sell signal point of view, we are about to tap into our golden zone. See if we can get a push down, get some bearish volume. Yes, flow, win.
Go flow. Let's go.
TikTok kicked off, 15 minutes, and boom, again.
Very strange. You have to do it.
Literally 15 minutes as well.
You have to do it independently.
Right, let's watch this trade, and then, fortunately, we are ready for you, TikTok.
Yeah, and I am fucking ready with this 35-point banger. Let's take 2 off. Leave 1 going.
Push, winning trade. Tapped into our daily. Just as I mentioned. Get your W's in the chat. Pickles, there you are. Just lurking in the background. Teasing me. Aaron. Well done, mate. Get your W's in the chat.
That's my first trade in.
Lap of flow. Jay, well done, guys.
Previous out high.
Pickles, you're always at work.
Seen that sweep of London High?
Yes, Jay. Well done, mate. What, mate? Sorry.
That sweep of London High?
I spoke about it before.
Absolutely.
You weren't listening to me. You are zoned in on what you're doing.
To the tick.
Yep. And then dropped like a stone. That's why I said, once it took that, because we've been so bullish the last 5-6 hours, every single hour it opened above,
Yeah.
and then tapped that, bang. And straight after it as well, you can see it's come back up to the hour, fails to break the high of the hour again, does it twice in that hour, and then we get the sell signal and it plummets to the daily. It was beautiful. Yes, Tom. Yes. Right. Yes, TikTok, we are back. You'll be all pleased to know that my playlist is not far from done.
What playlist?
My T-Bone created music playlist that I can't be done for copyright because I own it all.
You've created your own music.
Yes.
Who'd have had?
Pardon?
You'd have had.
I demand. Well, I wanted stuff I could put on.
I don't disagree.
So it's going to start on there, and as it starts on there, I'll just start it in my ear at the same time. So we'll be listening to the same thing. I can enjoy the tunes while they enjoy the tunes.
I can put it on. Put it on the speaker.
Because you can't hear it properly. It's like it cuts in and out in the background. You could, like, because you're playing it through a...
What are you doing on Spotify? Are you doing it so you can listen to it on Spotify?
No, I was just going to upload it.
I thought you meant you were going to put it on an actual playlist so people can go listen to it.
Oh, maybe. How are we doing, guys? All you lovely people on TikTok. Don't forget to give us a like on the stream, guys. We are trading Nasdaq. We've just had our first winning trade. Our first winning trade. We are trading alpha zones. Hey Stacy, how's your cat? She's called Stacy Cat Crazy. I thought that's a cool name.
Very cool, mate.
Don't forget to give us a like on the stream, guys. We're already one winning trade down. We're going to be here for the next few hours. Yes, hours.
Days.
Days. I've got to sleep. I've got to go to the bathroom. Got to see me kids. No, I don't have to see me kids. No, I do have to see me kids.
Just leave the stream going. You'll be here all the time.
All night.
Yeah, I might go home. You can stay.
Indeed. Indeed. Welcome. Don't forget to say hi, guys, all you lovely people joining on TikTok. Drop us a comment, drop us a like. See if we can get some more winning trades. So we have had a break candle to the upside. And after our winning trade here, obviously a lot of people in the Discord took this trade, as I can see. And on our YouTube live. So now that we've come down, tapped into our daily alpha zone, our 4-hour alpha zone, are we going to continue on up? Or is this just a little bit of a retracement? Because we were creating, as you can see. We've come up, we took London high, as we discussed before. Our new 1-hour alpha zone. Mercia, welcome. Don't you swipe. Don't you swipe. And swipe. Yeah, so we've tapped back into our 1-hour alpha zone here. We've come down. We've had a beautiful golden candle. It could have been one of our entries. You can see it comes into the golden zone here for a win. But a sell signal that there is a chance you could have got tapped in on that, but I'd have been just slightly off with my target in there. And then this beautiful sell signal down. Oh, I do like that. I like that a lot. Because it's on TikTok, I can have the chat over the chart.
Oh, nice.
It's helpful.
The TikTok chat.
The TikTok chat.
People actually chat.
So come on, the guys on TikTok, what you trading? I know most of you on YouTube are trading Nasdaq because you're trading with me. A few of you trade oil, the odd one gold. What you trading on TikTok? Drop your comments in. Don't be shy. I know you're there. Hey Nelly. That looks like a prison photo. Is that your prison photo? Are you trading from yourself? I hope not. Golden NQ, nice. I'm mainly NQ, but I do like gold. Championess. No, don't go. Come back. Championess. Gold 2 on London. Yeah. I'm going to be keeping an eye on gold a bit more, I think, especially trading throughout the day. Thanks for the love, Nelly. I suppose in prison it's anyone's love. Bad Toro, stay with us, man. What are you trading? What are you trading? Yeah, Flo, I am going to. I am looking at it. I'm looking at... Because I'm going throughout the day, just mixing it up a little bit. I know Pickles likes his oil. Yeah, Sam said yesterday, I'm going to be going live earlier.
Pickles, aka Donald.
Pickles, aka Donald. He likes his oil. I'm going to call you Trumpy Pickles. So. Where am I from? I am from a place just outside Liverpool in England.
Witness.
It's yeah, about 25 miles from Liverpool. Not far. The grand scheme of things. So we are getting a break candle, got a new hour. Half an hour before New York. We've got any news today, Zoo? You're just so distracted today.
I've been really, really busy.
You have been really busy. You've been doing lots of good work, to be fair. Kids call you that. Trumpy Pickles.
Trump speaks. Speaking of Trump.
When?
2 p.m. Miles away.
That's fine. That's like, what, 6, 7 o'clock tonight?
So, yellow folder, service PMI 9:45, but nothing that you need to worry yourself about.
No, I won't be taking a trade when the orange man speaks. Okay, so we are pushing back down, coming into our daily and our 4 hour.
Guess who's killing it?
Yes, my chart is on MNQ. No, my chart's on MNQ. No, it's not. Natura, welcome. What flag is that? What flag is that? I don't know the flag. No, my chart's on NQ. I trade on MNQ so that I can break my trades up. Can spread my risk. But I chart NQ. Welcome, KR. Welcome. Trading Nasdaq here. So obviously these are very important areas where we're just tapping into in our daily alpha zone, our 4 hour here. All put on the chart with your alpha zones indicator. And we've got below us our Q, which may well be where we are heading. Well done on your first trade, Zoo.
Banger. Beautiful react as well. On that break candle.
Yeah.
I can't see the like button on the live. Don't you have to add it? See down here?
You can't.
I have to double tap and on here. So this is yours, yeah?
Yeah. Look at that tap. Look at the tap into the alpha zone. Beautiful. tap right?
It's because I was on the computer.
That'd be right. Yeah, so our daily alpha zone is obviously quite important. You seem we rejected out of here twice. Feel like that.
We'll just leave it out.
That will help.
Okay, for group. Let's go.
So we're just going to bide our time now. We've got New York coming in 25 minutes. Let's hope Donald stays asleep for a few hours.
Schnoozing.
Natura, you trading Nasdaq with us today? Don't forget to drop us a little like. Comment in the chat what you're trading. What are you trading? And tell me what that flag is. I want to know what flag is. Where are you? I can't search while I'm on here. It's like blue, yellow and red.
Alright, that's every single Apex account traded this week.
Nice, you're killing it this week, mate.
That's not too bad. 250 on that one.
Let's pop us a little win on that. There we go. Check. Our first winning trade of the day. So obviously, this is a careful area to trade. You just make noises. That's what you do. You just make noises. Okay, so we've had a new hour. Here's our new 1 hour alpha zone. We are smack bang between our 1 hour alpha zone and our daily and 4 hour here. So if we're going to get a buy signal, I want it to be above here. And I would definitely like to see this high go before I'd be taking a buy. And preferably this one as well, really. That would give me some confidence that we might push back up. But this is our first reversal on the hours, as we mentioned before. Our hourly alpha zones since the open of the queue at 4 AM New York time. We've opened here. Our new hour opened above. Our 4 hour opened above. Opened above. And then this is the first time that we've gone bearish. Tapped into our daily and our 4 hour. Failed to take our previous hour low, by the way, when we've come back down. Could be an indication. Didn't get the sell signal. Let's have a look. No. I've got more. If I can hear it, it's only mayonnaise. I hope you sit on it.
Meek bones.
Under my voice. It's you hell. Okay, so we tap back into the 1 hour.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Feels bearish to me. All the way up. New hour. Let's see what New York does. We've got 21 minutes until New York.
I think we're going to drop. We've taken the previous daily low. So, see if we get through the daily. Looking bearish.
Yeah, so beautiful tap back in. We haven't had any volume though for a while. We got volume on the way up here. We got bullish volume on the way up. In fact, wow, New York is there. I'll add the volume bubbles on just so you can see. So we're tapping back into the 1 hour. I have to say, I don't really want to be taking a trade this close to New York if we're just going to sit and bounce around in this little area here. Bullish golden candle. Straight into our hour. If it closes above, then I'll be interested. I'll definitely be interested if it closes above. I am loved. Thank you for subscribing on YouTube. Thank you very much. One minute time frame this. Morning, Tara. Yeah, cake it up. We're on the 1 minute time frame on NQ. So a bullish golden candle tap into the 1 hour alpha zone. But as you know with me, I would not be taking that into a 1 hour alpha zone. No, no, no. What I'd really like to see is a break up here if we're going to go long. Let's have a little look around us. So we have got plenty of draw below us. Yeah, got liquidity around here and just below our Q here, so there's plenty of reason for price to come down. A little bit indecisive at the minute after that big push up and a big push down overnight and then a big push up, so let's keep our eye for strong price action. None of this wiki nonsense that we were getting yesterday. You're welcome, Aaron. I just read, was it you just put in the chat about the calculator? I'll just check now. I think it was.
Aaron's the man with that. Knows what he's doing.
Yeah, can't see what it was. Yes, but you weren't awake when you posted it, so is that why you removed it? Fair play. Appreciate the honesty. Yeah, sound mate, all good. As long as you're sorted. Just wanted to make sure that you weren't struggling with anything. Yeah. So we all trade in Nasdaq. Obviously, Pickles is doing a. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Ignore me. It's definitely more than usual.
Views, you mean?
No, because it's.
Yeah, but viewers. No, that's TikTok. Oh, wait.
No, it's not. There's only one. $61. So, just on that. I've separated CL and NQ to different accounts. Wise move. I made that mistake 18 months ago. Trying to trade multiple pairs, multiple assets on same accounts. It's just nonsense. Dean, welcome my friend. How are you doing? You in work today, Tara? Oh, got kicked off. There we go. Back on. Chart's playing up on me. Good morning. So yeah, so we are messing around a little bit in this 1 hour, which isn't the worst thing in the world. We'll sit around here, we're going to sweep for New York and get some direction, hopefully. I don't know if you're on the YouTube live, Johnny, but obviously I've just read your post in the Discord about your payout for January. I just wanted to say a massive, massive well done.
Yeah.
Nearly $5,000 across 5 accounts. Being vigilant, smart, taking the right trades. That's a hell of an achievement, buddy. Well done. Yep, no news today. If you are going to trade later on, Trump might talk at some point, 2 o'clock, so just be cautious of that. 2 o'clock New York time. I'm going to turn that up, it's going to call.
Where's the friendly ghost?
You're not white enough to be Casper. Interestingly, we're just getting this wiki consolidation here. Let's just choppy chop. But with us not having any news, I don't like no news Mondays. They can be a real drag, but yesterday, start in New York yesterday wasn't amazing. The opening was good and then just tailed off into a wick fest. Be nice to see a little bit more movement today. Nine minutes until New York. See what it might come for. So we've already took London high. And as I mentioned before, once we took London high, it swooped up. And then our new hour closed for the first hour in 4 or 5. Opened below to send us bearish. Are you too hot already?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, it's just because it's blowing on me.
Oh yeah, it's alright mate, don't worry.
Right.
He's just sensitive, that's all.
Alright, I don't care. Sensitive soul.
A few more bits and bobs coming for you soon, guys, as well, on the indicators. We've got our trend trail coming. Try and help you trail your larger trades. Know when to stay in. Give you confidence to hold your trades longer. I know Aaron's going to be very happy about that. You were very much in our mind. Well, What do you mean battery low? Don't do that to me.
Ha! No music for you. Music for you.
Definitely music for me. Right, swap ears then. Oh, I hate that ear. Do you have a preferred ear?
What?
Nope. Just for listening to things.
Don't know. Left maybe?
Yeah, mine's be left.
Right, here we go. New York, 5 minutes. Usually
5.
facility kicks in now. I'm interested to see whether we re-attack high.
It almost felt like it's just a deeper retracement to come in and tap the daily.
Is increasing.
Yep. 14.27 though, and we could quite easily get a buy signal now, which I don't really want. Right, let's make sure everything is set up properly. So we've got about 3 minutes. We've got to push above the hour. Let's put in a new high for this hour. There's plenty of draw above. So about our time now. We've got 2 minutes into New York. And then we might just, well, we'll definitely get some movement then. I've put the volume bubbles on for now. However, I may well turn them off. You can see this beautiful rejection off the daily here and that large bullish volume bubble on the bearish candle. Showing you the buyers stepped in here. Here we go, people. Start your engines. Okay, so we are straight away. It's a big candle.
That's tap overnight highs.
That's just tapped overnight highs.
Not yet.
They the 4 hour.
Now it has.
Yeah.
Now it has. So that's all of the highs between the last open of New York.
Look at that bearish volume kicking in there.
Yeah, next liquidity is at the previous Q.
Yep, can see that one.
It's previous daily high as well. So this will be an interesting area for us to look at.
See, so we have had a buy signal, we've had a bullish volume, but obviously it is the first candle in New York and it is a much larger candle than what we've been getting the previous ones. We have got our previous daily high above and the previous Q.
So let's see if that was the move. Come and grab highs before.
We often see, we can obviously see a reversal after those highs.
We're going to trend up because there isn't much more liquidity to go away other than previous day. So still bias. Sellers increasing. Okay.
I'm not in it yet. I was keeping an eye on it.
Still too
No, I'm not fancying the early bearish volume is what I'm not fancying. So no, I'm not looking for this one. It's just that previous Q. So whether or not it's just going to come up and tap that and not take the high. Yeah, me too, Tara. I lost on that yesterday as well.
Yeah, me.
Yep. Wasn't just you. The afternoon was sound.
Yeah, I did also carry on trading for most of the night. That's where I made my money back. Here we go. So I'm going to go.
It's fighting it. No, I'm not going to take it even if it does come up. And the reason I'm not going to take it, guys, because I know that's the question you're asking, is it could wick us in here, because as it is doing, it's coming up and wicking these highs here. It's just tapping them. And if there's orders there, it could just still come up and take anything that's left. But we often see, these are the overnight highs here, and we often see large rejections from these areas. So no. Timing was impeccable with that comment, wasn't it? So we're getting a bearish candle. We're getting bearish volume. We've taken two quite important highs there. So other than our previous day, that was a lot of liquidity in this here. And we're getting volume on this. Obviously there's a bit of a fight. The news in 10, is that if I can only see on Forex Factory, it's only yellow news, nothing I'm overly concerned about. And that invalidated that anyway, as you'll see. You wonder why, just to answer anyone's question, why the buy signal is no longer there. It's because it's been invalidated. If it had been a loss, it would have stayed there. If it had been a win, it would have stayed there. We use a stop order, and that's invalidated. So it's no longer there because it's not a trade. No FOMO, you're out. If you haven't already, guys, give us a like on the stream. Do appreciate it. Helps me get out to a few more people. If you've got any questions on Alpha Zones, if you've not spoke to me before, drop it in the chat. I will answer you. This is what I did before as well. Wicks down, bullish volume. If you're new to the stream, guys, don't forget to subscribe.
I think you're right. I think it might come off the key.
Above.
It could come back to that key level. It's just with that previous day high in it. It's quite a prominent thing. Just came back and swept them highs again.
Yep.
Now we might get a true break.
Which is exactly what I was just talking about before when I said that you don't want to be in where
Exactly, it's just tagged you like
it would have just tagged you in.
there's a break candle.
It's too risky.
No, you're right. Great observation.
There we go. So we've had a white break candle. Wasn't gold, unfortunately. We are above the hour. We don't have 3-turn traffic lights yet, so we're not going to get a signal on this candle. We are getting bearish volume. Don't have a lot of movement yet. We've got 20 minutes until our new 4 hour. Right, don't get me wrong, if we come back up here, if it breaks this break candle now, and we come back above this and get a buy signal, then I would be more interested. Now we've had a proper retracement after taking the previous highs. But ooh, is that orange or red? That's orange. So we are getting a good push down here into our 1 hour alpha zone. More bearish volume. Obviously I am very cautious of the 4 hour on the daily here. Well done, Chris. Good win. Yours was a golden candle.
Using normal candles.
Are you on normal candles? Oh, because you've got normal candles on as well, haven't you? Yeah. GG. Well done, Chris. No, Chris, you're not normal. None of us are. We wouldn't be trading if we were. Normal isn't putting ourselves through this. It's happened to the 1 hour. Now we're getting bullish volume. Anybody ever tell me that alpha zones don't work? Just look at that. We did it with the daily. Into our daily alpha zone. Boom, boom, boom. And off we go. We've come up. We've swept our important levels here on the overnights. Swept all them. Come flying back down into our 1 hour alpha zone. This is beautiful. There's only one trade for us up to now, which is this win. It's a sell signal just after the open. That's just before the open, sorry. A47. For those of you who were up and with us. So there's a bullish candle. Now we're getting a break. If it holds. Could get interesting. Or it could drop again. Like Venezuelan oil prices. That is a big candle. It's big bullish volume as well. Starting to get some volume in now. ATR's gone back up to 35. Was it 19 for a little bit before? Oh yeah, I was only joking. Yep. Let's be cautious, guys, because we don't F with the Q. So if the buy signal is below it, even if it's above it, really. So have we already missed the move? So this is is this yesterday's queue, is it? Yeah, it's yesterday's queue. Is it yesterday's? The day before's? Oh, it's Friday's queue. And you can see from there, we ricocheted out of that yesterday. And we're doing exact, so you gotta be really cautious here, guys. Just take note. That Q level, look at what it did yesterday. 11.43, it came up, tapped in, and ricocheted down. So if we close above, that's definitely positive for some bullishness. So we've now taken previous day high. See if we break through here. This could get interesting. Let's go, Nas. Let's go. Don't get me wrong, wouldn't be upset with a sell like, but yes, agreed. Amrit. Little mess around, close above, buy signal, off to the moon would be nice. If it gets above here, So here's our buy signal. We are above the Q. Let's see if we close there. And here we go. It's a bullish volume, nice quick pump up into our golden zone will be nice. Bit more volume, get us in our golden zone. Yes, Chris, Aaron, Tara, well done. Right, well, I have my target at 74875, so mine has just tapped it, which is good. So I'll take that one as well.
GG.
Well done, Dean. Well done, guys. Get your W's in the chat if you haven't already. Love to see those winners. 2 trades on the stream, 2 wins. That's what we're talking about. Anyone else still in this? Oh, let's have a little look then. If you're on MNQ. Ah, see. So on MNQ, your signal was after. So you're still not in on. Still not in on it. May well still play. I think you're okay, Flo. I think it's still going to go up. No, it's not what I meant to do. At least it didn't start like yesterday. BE loss. So we've got 4 minutes until our new 4 hour. Which obviously might give us a push, or we could end up with choppy like yesterday, but after that little move up. What red wave? There's no red wave.
What red wave?
Aaron said, what's that red wave? I said, what red wave? I don't know what you're talking about, Aaron.
Red wave. There's the volume kicking in. Back up into the golden zone.
Yeah. Just gonna have to wait. I'm only taking signals or golden candles. Well done, Flo. GG. Well in, Gummy. They all MNQ ones.
Yeah, nice.
Beautiful. TP2. Well in, Connor. Well done, 2 wins. Close your computer. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for joining us, mate. Oh, is it? No, I'm not on M and Q, to be honest, Mark. So I wasn't 100% it had hit yet. That's why I was checking. It's going to, though. It's just, where are we going now?
780 is next sort of high, then into the 800s.
Well, I was looking around 804, 820, around there.
Yeah. The weekly high.
Well, we've got liquidity at 804. Which isn't that high up from where we are. If you're holding, that's a target I'd be looking for. Any reason I started trading early? Yes, because I want to trade longer. I can't trade later. I want to do longer streams, and I can't be here normally later than I normally am. A couple of hours into New York, so I'm going to be coming on at least an hour or two earlier before New York, at least, maybe even a bit more, and get the streams up a bit more. So that's my reason. Howdy, Jay. So here's our new 4-hour candle. Be nice to get a little push down first. And give us a buy signal.
Yeah.
But it might just go running.
Yeah, about 5-minute buy.
5-minute buy signal, if any of you didn't hear Zoo in the background there.
Keep doing what we can do.
Plenty of winning signals. AMRIT before New York. Every day. Just depends which ones you want to take. So 804, 820, 840. Yeah. There's plenty above. Let's just see if it can get. See if we can get a little close below before it goes on its run. If that's what it's going to do. We have. Let me just zoom out. So our new hour is above. Obviously, for New York, we opened after we sweep those highs before London high. We then opened a new hour below, as we mentioned. But then it's gone on a run for New York, and now we've opened above. So we can definitely say that we're bullish at the minute. W for MNQ, well in Mac. I agree, Amrit, that is exactly what I was hoping for. Bit of a retracement, just put in the low, buy signal, and then up to 804. That's what I'd like. Well,
So I might get it.
20 seconds left is a good chance. Yeah, so there's our break candle. Always cautious with this bit though because of how this first hour's been. Let's see, might get a close above. I'd really rather a push above it though. I'm not going to take it in the middle of there. So I'm getting a bit of bullish volume. See if we can get above this hourly. I do fancy the push up.
Well, obviously with the 5's going to hit target, needs to go up, so that's 799. Two levels of liquidity, interesting, isn't it? It's come a long way. Usually you get with like a little bit of a retracement, right?
Yeah. It's just whether or not that retracement is the whole hour.
It's like a little bit of a retest of the queue as well.
Oh, straight down. I think you might be right now. Because it didn't really retest the queue. Broke through and went on its merry way. Well, our trend wave has gone red on NQ. I'm not sure about your MNQ. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's red there. Guys, if you're on the stream, you like the stream, don't forget to give us a like. the signal's correct for the second trade, but didn't get any signal for the first one. Let me have a look. Which one are you referring to? I would check whether it was M&Q or NQ, but I don't want to switch right now, just while I'm doing this. It's not going to be on this one anyway, so let me just check. Yeah, the sell's still on M&Q. Has to be something in your settings. I've checked 3 charts, it's all there. I'll tell you what I'll do. Why are you not working? Oh, God. Too slow. It's all me. So coming back into our 4 hour and our 1 hour. After that retracement, it's a bit deeper. Could now be if we get a break above here. Get that buy signal that we were all waiting for before. If that's what it's called. I need to change the name on the V3 update. Yeah, it wasn't meant to. Just me being a plank. Kept thinking I had the different. I kept thinking I was on a different one to them, but I'm not. I'm on the right one. So I can't see why you wouldn't have that signal at 847. So you're going to have to check your settings and then come back to me. It might be the old switch it off and switch it back on again.
Oh, the old switcheroo.
With your broadband.
Yeah.
Have you turned the box off at the wall, sir? Yes, I have. you think I'd have rang you without turning it off and on again?
Did you wait 10 seconds?
It takes up to 60 seconds for them all to power down inside.
Yeah.
How about you just get your guy to get round here in a van now and fix my fucking broadband?
Yeah. So true. Right.
It's interesting. I'm not on mute, but this goes down and up.
That's weird.
That was the customer service at all of them at one point, mate. All of them. In fairness, I used to run some of them. Now, come on. We've put a low in. 11 minutes past. Decent times to put a low in within the hour. If we can get above here now, give me a lot more confidence to go bullish. Come on. Let's go, Nas. It's fighting with it. Let's jump over here. Let's have a look. It's got a bearish golden candle. It's failed to take that high. ES has been beautiful as well. 2 winning trades on ES. The first or the second? Really odd. It's two of them can't see that winning signal. This one. 847.
Can't see it.
Yeah. I've checked multiple charts. Yeah.
Yeah, I've got it there, yeah. I'm seeing that. Took a while to load then. Found it loaded. Yeah, I can see the P47. Definitely there. Have we got normal candles on?
No. Just. I've got them to send me the settings anyway, so I'll have a look at the settings. Shouldn't be. It's auto off. I've asked for screenshots, so we'll see how it gets on.
Yeah, if they've got the normal candle setting ticked on, then it won't show. Or it's not showing, I should say.
Does the other one show if you do it? A minute. I mean, that's what I will check. Because that is highly likely what it'll be then. If I go normal candles. They both disappear.
Yeah, but they've got one of them.
Yeah.
Don't read
Got the first sale, not the second. Two of them. Two people.
in the Discord. Just set it after the stream. Just double check to make sure that it's not updated or changed anything with the signals.
He's just re-added the indicator though. So if he's re-added it, then he's got the same one. It's got to be a setting.
Have you re-added yours?
Yeah, just did it then.
It's still there.
Yeah, that's why I said, because I thought I had the calc version on, but obviously I'd saved it as that name is calc.
It's very difficult to say, isn't it?
Because Aaron can see it. You can see it. I can see it. But then it's not just one person, you know what I mean? There's two of them, so.
But, the most obvious one is the normal candles.
It's not that though.
Right.
Because he sent me a screenshot.
And it's not normal candles on.
Well, he could have pressed the button for normal candles. And that would remove them, but I can see that cell signal. And when I take normal candles on, they both disappear. Okay, so we're getting above and we've taken the high. Chris, $439 today and I got to stop here. Thank you, Stu and T. Well done, mate. Well done. Top day. Three trend traffic lights, so it is possible to get a signal now. See if we get some volume, because that is something we've not had for. Oh no, I've just got volume turned off. No, I haven't. What am I doing? Oh, we're getting a buy signal. Okay, keep an eye on it. Obviously, we've just come out the hour. We're taking an entry with a stop order above, and if it takes this low, which it looks like it might do, just keep an eye on it, guys. We're taking the low, order off. So weird. Check the settings. I'll have a look. When we get off the stream, buddy, I will have a look.
There's no way to.
I can't work it out. See if we get a little push back in.
Problem is that signals. Unless we get 5-minute trade still in play. Not going up nicely.
Well done, Aaron. See you tomorrow, mate. So if we close below here, that could make it a little interesting to get down to the queue. One last thing, see if I can try this. So weird. Even the settings of the latest version, I can see that. It's got all the options for this calculator on.
So it's on in queue.
Mm-hmm.
I've just re-added it and I've got two signals again.
Yeah, I took them both off on two different charts and still got it.
Okay, only. I don't know what to say, but I can't. Anything we can do is join in Discord. Instant screen share.
Okay, so we're getting a big push down now. We have got 3 red traffic light. Well, we nearly did. We have got 3 red traffic lights. So if we get volume, the trend wave will change. Might not be this candle. It's going to happen though. Don't want to be straight into the queue. Okay, so interestingly, see if this closes back in, because we have failed to take that low again. Our typical 10 o'clock candle.
At the moment, yeah.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
I see. Bearish golden candle.
For now.
Very true.
I don't fancy that gold sticking around. Oh no. Nah, not for me that. If it is, I'll wait for a sell signal. Too many wicks in the same area.
Okay. It's a break signal on 5 minute as well.
Oh, now there's the sell signal.
Oh,
No.
I think you're right.
No. Just in the interest of transparency, I've not took either. Oh, it's gone anyway. Yeah. Oh, there it's gone because it's been invalidated. I haven't took the golden candle, all the sell signal there. And the reason is this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it may well still go on to come down here, but price is too choppy for me there. That is not high probability. There's a risk of it doing exactly what it did here. The sell signal. Oomph. Obviously the sell signal was invalidated anyway. That's the whole point of the system. And with the sells, buys and the golden candles, there's an element of being smart about which ones to take as well. So the golden candle trade has gone on to win. Well, about to be. I did not take it. Mac did. Well done, Mac. Anybody else in this win?
TP2.
Got me close BA on it. Well done. TP2. Well done, Zoo.
Just above the queue.
Well done, Flo. TP2.
See if we lose the.
Tapping into the queue.
So interestingly, that obviously initial balance is closed. So initial balance obviously is pushing for a break of the high. Doesn't mean it has to, but
Yeah, because we were still right up there at that point, weren't we? 10:30.
yeah, we didn't break the high at 10:30. Broke it just before.
No, what I meant was it said we were still right up there near the high.
Well above the 50%.
Yeah. Chris, you said 439 and you were stopping. He did trade again. It's a virtual wrist slap. Well done on the win though, mate. Well done. It's just those golden candles.
I mean, it's looked like it wanted to come test that queue, isn't it, really, like that level? Especially with the rejection of it last night.
Yeah.
Just being a bit of a slow burner to bring it down. It's just what he decides to do now.
Not gonna lie, I'd love a long. it's my fault because I'm still alive.
Do
Yeah.
you know what? Fair play. I completely agree. All your fault.
I won't come on tomorrow then. Just kind of a little bit of volume here. Could well fancy push up here.
Well,
12 minutes left of this hour. So it's 3 lovely little taps into the queue, but we're going to have to wait and see. Our lowers here, so we need to close above this for us to get a break back in the other direction. If it's going to do that. Or maybe carrying on down. It's a long way to go down below the queue. With nothing, really. We had that big push up on our nearest real sort of level of before liquidity is 607, which is right down here, right near our daily. Tell you what, if it does drop, if it does go through the queue, I do fancy it to absolutely plummet.
Oh, and you were right. That's a big push.
Yeah, problem is, we've not had any break above.
No.
Well done, Chris.
Look at that. Plummeting.
Alright, as expected. So we have closed below the queue. We've got a rather large space here. We're 5 minutes until the new hour. Where did we say that was? 608. And it is dropping. Starting to get a bit of bearish volume on this one. Getting a little push up. Let's see if it's going to come retest the queue, or it's just a little push back, a little pull back and carry on. So we've taken our previous hour low straight away. Some nice bearish volume on this as well. I'll throw volume on because it's not too heavy on this screen.
So we've taken previous hour low already.
Straight away, first candle. Boosh.
You're still holding that golden candle. What a runner.
Let's see if it's going to plummet on down. Right, guys, I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to come on earlier tomorrow. I'm going to run around 11:30, 12 o'clock tomorrow. For any of you who are awake at that time or not in the US, do a bit of London, maybe even a bit earlier, but we'll get a good stint on it there. Thank you all for coming on. If you haven't already, please do give us a like on the stream. It does help. If you haven't subscribed, press that bloody button. And I will see you all tomorrow. GG.